Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, I want to talk about should you use fundamental analysis in your trading? Well, the answer is it depends, right? It depends on your trading methodology and on your trading style. Let me explain, right? So, let's say, for example, you are a stock trader, a US stock trader, and there are easily thousands of stocks to trade. How do you know which stocks you want to focus on, right? That is where fundamental analysis, right, can be useful. It can help you filter down or narrow down, right, the number of markets that you want to trade. For example, you might want to focus on growth stocks, right? Stocks that have, strong earnings, strong revenue over the last few years. Those are stocks that you might want to focus on to trade on. Or maybe you want to pick, bottoms in the market. You want to pick stocks that have a low price to book value, right, and trade those stocks. And as you can see, right, there are a lot of ways to go about it, and fundamental analysis can help you filter down or narrow down, right, the markets that you should be focusing on or you should be trading, depending on your trading approach. So yes, fundamental analysis, it can be used, especially for stock traders. And the key thing about fundamental analysis is that it's useful to tell you, what stocks to focus on, what stocks to buy, what stocks to trade. But fundamental analysis, right, is not good, right, for using it as an entry or exit tool or technique or timing whatsoever. And the reason for this is that fundamental analysis, right, usually, right, it comes up a new report or new update once every 3 months. This is why you have, your earnings report, your earnings calendar. For stocks, right, it's once every 3 months. And if you were to use fundamental analysis to time your entries, you can see that within 3 months the stock can move a lot. It can go against you by a lot, and that, right, that is disastrous, right, if you were to use fundamental analysis, right, to help you time your entries and exits. So this is why I say that fundamental analysis, it can be used, right, but more of filtering down, right, the markets that you want to focus on, the markets that you want to trade, and then you can use technical analysis, right, to help you time your entries and exits. So you can think of fundamental analysis as telling you what to buy, and technical analysis, right, to tell you when to buy. Okay, so this is useful, right, for stock traders where you have a lot of stocks to trade. What about, say, trend followers, right? Systematic trend followers who just, trade trends across the futures market. Is fundamental analysis useful? Not quite, right? Because as a trend follower, the key thing that you focus on is price. Is the market going up? Then you look to buy. If the market going down, then you look to sell, right? You don't care what the fundamentals of that particular market is about. So as you can see, right, should you use fundamental analysis, right? I have given you, two different so-called approach to it, right? Yes, you can use fundamental analysis, and no, right, fundamental analysis is not needed, especially if you are a trend follower. So all I can say is that you must understand the trading approach that you are trying to use, and then decide for yourself, right, if fundamental analysis is something that you should incorporate into your trading. But for me personally, I don't use any fundamentals in my trading. My trading is more of a price is king. Everything is, in the price already, right? I simply trade price, and that is my focus. But at the same time, I know of stock traders, successful stock traders, who actually adopt fundamentals in their trading, right? Using it as a filter to tell them what stocks they should be focusing on, and then they apply a technical analysis overlay to help them better time their entries and exits. All right. So with that said, I've come towards the end of today's episode. If you've enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is below, and I will talk to you soon.